Buenos días, chicos. I was thinking the instructions for the Pregunta de la semana assignment were a little bit difficult, so I thought I would make a screencast. So basically, this is for Spanish 2 Accelerated. You guys have different questions, but it's the same kind of process to create your video for Seesaw. So you want to come here. You're going to go to the Seesaw assignment first. And here's the Seesaw. You're going to play the instructions. That's basically the questions that I want you to answer. Spanish 1B has 1 question. Spanish 2 Accelerated has 3 questions. So you're going to listen to that question so you kind of know what questions you need to answer. Then you'll go back to this. This is attached to on the agenda in Google Classroom. It's just Pregunta de la Semana slideshow. And you'll listen to my video response, which is attached here in the slide for the Pregunta de la Semana for the 20 de Abril. Once you listen to my response, you'll go back to Seesaw, you'll click Add Response, and you're going to choose a video. I can't do it. Oh, I'll do a sample student. You're going to choose a video. Now you can record it through Seesaw, or you can record it in your own video and then upload it later on. Okay, and what you're going to do is answer the questions that are in this audio, and then you also need to ask a follow-up question about something I said in my video. Okay, a follow-up question about something I may have mentioned in my video. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can email me. Hope you have some success. Thanks.